Hello, guys. Good evening, everyone. Hello, all. So, guys, can you able to hear me? Can you hear my voice? Can you see me? Is voice and video clarity everything clear? Hello, Lakshman. So, guys, just let me know, is voice and video clarity clear so that we can start? So, guys, let me introduce myself. Myself, Praneet Kalyanam. I'm maths educator at Unacademy. I have 10 years of experience in teaching IIT-JEE maths. So I have worked in Narayana Chena campus, Hyderabad, and I have worked in Akash, Bangalore. Hello, Eklavya. Hello, hello. So how are you? Able to hear me? Yes, yes. I teach on Plus. So there are batches going on Plus, guys. So you can use my referral code Praneet10. So this is my referral code. So guys, from 28th December, so this batch is going to start for class 11th students for JEE 2022. So excellence for class 11th for JEE mains and advanced who are appearing for 2022. So it is going to start from 28th December, guys. So top educators are Manoj Chauhan sir, Piyush, Brijesh, Neeraj sir, Sharad Kotari sir, taking this batch excellence for class 11. So if you're already in place, you can enroll for this. Okay. So this is for class 12th, guys. This is for class 12th syllabus. Edge for class 12. This is also 2022. Okay. Next, this is for 2021 mains, guys. For coming mains, this is the strikers batch. So this is going to start from 2nd Jan. Okay. You are looking for this, Eklavya? Okay. So you can enroll for these batches, guys, and you can take plus subscription. So you can choose 1 month, 3 months, 6 months according to your requirement, and you can use this referral code, guys. If you use this referral code Praneet10, you'll get instant 10% discount. Okay, right. Chalo then, let's start, guys. So, guys, in the previous class, we started limits and continuity. We already started, and we have discussed few important questions. And now we'll do the 2020 previous year questions, guys. 2020 questions. There are total 16 questions. Let's say try to finish this 16 questions in 1 hour. Right, chalo, guys. First question: when we substitute x equals to 1 here, what we get it, guys? 1 plus 1 plus 1 n times minus n. So we're getting like n minus n by 1 minus 1, which is equals to 0 by 0. We're getting it. So whenever limit tending to 0 by 0 or infinite by infinite, we'll apply L'Hospital rule. What is L'Hospital rule? Numerator differentiation by denominator differentiation. We can calculate the numerator differentiation separately and denominator differentiation separately, and we can apply the limits. Limit x is tending to 1. Numerator differentiation is 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus so on up to n into x power n minus 1, and minus n differentiation anyway it's 0, denominator differentiation 1. Now substitute it, guys. Substitute x equals to 1. If you substitute x equals to 1, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to n is equals to this value already he given 820. So this is equals to 820. We need to calculate n value, guys, but sum of first n natural numbers, we have a formula. Sum of first n natural numbers is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2 is equals to 820. So when we cross multiply this, what we get it, guys? N into n plus 1 is equals to 2 into 820. Isn't it 1640? Can we write this 1640 as 40 into 41? So if you compare this n into n plus 1 with 40 into 40 plus 1, so tell me, guys, what is the value of n we are getting it? Are we getting n is equals to 40? Yes, we're getting n is equals to 40. So that's what he's asking. N value is how much? N value is 40. Is it clear? Everyone understood this? Isn't it easy, guys? Right, chalo, let's move to the next one. Yeah, this is the next question we have. When we substitute x equals to 0, let's see what we get it. When we substitute x equals to 0 here, tan pi by 4 plus 0 whole power 1 by 0. So are we getting like 1 power infinite, guys? 1 by 0 is infinite. So are we getting like 1 power infinite? So whenever limit is tending to 1 power infinite, whenever limit x is tending to a, f of x to the power of z of x is tending to 1 power infinite. So we can use this formula, guys. Limit x is tending to a, f of x to the power of z of x is equals to e power limit x is tending to a, z of x into f of x minus 1. We can use this formula, guys. If we use this formula here, so tell me what we get it. So we're getting like e power limit x is tending to 0, z of x, in place of z of x we have 1 by x, into tan of pi by 4 plus x minus 1. That's what we're getting it. So when we apply limit here, let's see what we get it. When we apply limit here, limit x is tending to 0, tan pi by 4 plus x minus 1 by x. That's what we're getting it. So now tell me, when we substitute x equals to 0, are we getting 0 by 0? This particular term, are we getting like 0 by 0, guys? So now can we apply L'Hospital rule? Let's apply L'Hospital rule here. If we apply L'Hospital rule, limit x is tending to 0. Numerator differentiation, tan x differentiation is secant square x, but in place of x we have pi by 4 plus x. By denominator is what? 1. Now substitute the limit, guys. If you substitute the limit now, tell me what we get it. Are we getting like e power secant square pi by 4? Yes. So how much we getting it? Are we getting e square, guys? Secant square pi by 4 is what? Secant pi by 4 is root 2. Root 2 square. E square we are getting it. So where we getting e square? First option we getting it. Correct? Yes, first option is the answer. Next question. Here step of t denotes greatest integer function, and here lambda is a variable here and L is another variable. We need to calculate L value. First we need to calculate lambda value. See, to calculate lambda value, can we use the condition if limit is finite, means limit exists and it is equals to finite? What does that mean, guys? Can I say that left hand limit should be equals to right hand limit? Left hand limit should be equals to right hand limit. Let's calculate left hand limit separately. Left hand limit, let me calculate left hand limit. Left hand limit is what? Left hand limit is equals to limit x is tending to 0 minus modulus of 1 minus x plus, see, x is tending to 0 minus means what, guys? X is tending to 0 minus means x is less than 0, slightly less than 0, negative. When x is negative, can I replace mod x with minus x? Can I replace mod x with minus x? See, when x is tending to 0 minus means the x value is approximately equals to minus 0.000001, very small value. So in that case, what is the step x, guys? In this case, what is the step x? Step x is how much we're getting it. Step of minus 0.001 is how much? Minus 1, right? So can I replace step x with minus 1? Yes. Chalo, let's solve this. Limit x is tending to 0 minus. So now you can directly substitute 0 minus, guys. 0 minus you substitute here. So what we get it? When you substitute 0 minus here, what do we get it, guys? Modulus of 1 minus 0 by lambda minus 1. That's what we're getting it. So finally we are getting 1 by mod lambda minus 1. That's what we're getting it. This is left hand limit. Same way, can we calculate right hand limit? For calculus, No need, guys. Conic section we don't need for calculus. Right, okay, we calculated left hand limit. Same way, let's calculate right hand limit also. Let me calculate right hand limit here. Right hand limit is equals to limit x is tending to 0 plus mod 1 minus x plus. See, when x is tending to 0 plus means what? X is tending to 0 plus means we can take x is approximately equals to 0.0001. So in that case, mod x I can replace with x and step of x I can replace with 0. Correct? So tell me how much we get it. Mod x I am replacing with x and step x I am replacing with 0. So now substitute the limit, guys. When you substitute the limit, how much we get it? X equals to 0 if you substitute. Anyway, 0, 0 get cancelled. X and x get cancelled. And if you substitute here, are we getting 1 by lambda? Yes, that's what we're getting it. So now equate these two. As the limit is existing here, left hand limit should be equals to right hand limit. So if you equate left hand limit should be equals to right hand limit, tell me how much we're getting is. Are we getting 1 by lambda minus 1 is equals to 1 by mod lambda? That's what we're getting it. So from this, can I calculate lambda value, guys? What is the lambda value we're getting? Is it 1 by 2? Yes, so lambda is equals to 1 by 2, we're getting it. So once we got lambda value, so substitute lambda value here. If you substitute lambda value here, what we get it, guys? Limit x is tending to 0, whatever it is equals to, substitute lambda is equals to 1 by 2 here. If you substitute lambda is equals to 1 by 2 here, we are getting 2. He is asking L value, guys. L value is how much he is asking. So L value I got it as 2. So fourth option is the answer. Correct? Everyone understood? So L is equals to 2 I am getting. Lambda is 1 by 2. L is equals to 2. So fourth option is the correct answer. Right, next question. Hello Neelam, Suri. How are you? So guys, let's do the next question. Next question is limit x is tending to 0. Denominator is x power 8. And the numerator, can we write it as 1 minus cos x square by 2 into 1 minus cos x square by 4. Can I write it like this? Crash course on mathematics. Okay, sure, definitely. Yeah, I'm good, Neelam. So guys, we have this formula 1 minus cos theta is equals to 2 sine square theta by 2. Half angle formula. Do we have this half angle formula? If you substitute this half angle formula, let's see what we get it. Limit x is tending to 0. 1 minus cos theta. Can we write it as a 2 sine square x square by 4? Same way, 2 sine square x square by 8. Can I do that? By x power 8. But see, when x is tending to 0, can I replace sine x with x, guys? Same way, can I replace sine square x with x square? Correct. Can I replace sine square x square by 4 with x square by 4 whole square? Can I do that? Same way, can I replace sine square x square by 8? Can I replace with x square by 8 whole square? Can I do that? So substitute all these values here. If we substitute all these values here, what do we get it, guys? Tell me. So are we getting like limit x is tending to 0, 2 into sine square x square by 4. Can I replace with x square by 4 whole square? And this one, 2 into x square by 8 whole square by x power 8. So let's simplify this. If you simplify this, x power 8 is getting cancelled, guys. X square whole square, x square whole square, x power 8 is getting cancelled. And finally what we're getting is 2 into 2, 4 by 1 by 4 square into 1 by 8 square. That's what we're getting it. So 1, 4 get cancelled. And finally what I get it, guys? 2 power how much? 2 power minus 8. Is it 2 power minus 8? But that is given as 2 power minus k, right? So from this, can I equate it to 2 power minus 8? 2 power minus k. If you compare with 2 power minus 8, what is the value of k, guys? Are we getting 8? Are we getting 8? So 8 should be the answer. Correct? Yes, 8 is the answer. Chalo, let's move to the next one. So next question is, when you substitute x equals to a, here he is saying x is tending to a, guys. When x is tending to a, if you directly substitute x equals to a here, how much we getting, guys? We're getting like this, 3a whole power 1 by 3 minus 3a whole power 1 by 3 by 4a whole power 1 by 3 minus 4a whole power 1 by 3. So that is nothing but 0 by 0 we're getting it. So if it is 0 by 0, can we apply L'Hospital rule? Apply L'Hospital rule. Vishal, for maths you don't need NCRT, man. So don't go with NCRT. Okay. For scoring 10 to 12 questions out of 25. Okay. Right. So what you can do is, you take any standard book and do at least level 1, level 2 problems. That means easy, medium questions, you do it. Vishal, do easy, medium questions from any standard book or any standard material. Material also fine. Any standard coaching material, you take it and do easy, medium questions from all the chapters and then previous year questions. So easily you can able to score 15 questions out of 25. Okay. Right. So let's apply L'Hospital rule, guys. Why we need to apply L'Hospital rule is because as we are getting 0 by 0, we can apply L'Hospital rule. So if we apply L'Hospital rule here, that means numerator differentiation separately and denominator differentiation separately. Numerator differentiation is 1 by 3 into a plus 2x whole power 1 by 3 minus 1, which is minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 into 3x whole power minus 2 by 3 into 3. 3x differentiation is 3. And here also 2 is there, guys. I forgot this 2. So here into 2 is there. Okay. Why? Because a plus 2x differentiation is 2. Denominator is what? Denominator is again same thing. 1 by 3 into 3a plus x whole power minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 into 4x whole power minus 2 by 3 into 4, because 4x differentiation is 4. Now let's simplify this. When we are trying to simplify this, 1 by 3 get cancelled. And now substitute the limit. When we substitute a here, how much we get it, guys? 2 times 3a whole power minus 2 by 3 minus 3 times 3a whole power minus 2 by 3 by 4a whole power minus 2 by 3 minus 4 into 4a whole power minus 2 by 3. So we need to simplify this. If we simplify this, we'll get the answer. Let's simplify this. Let's try to simplify this. So here what we're getting is minus 2 minus 3 is minus, guys. Minus into 3a whole power minus 2 by 3. And denominator is minus 3 times 4a whole power minus 2 by 3. And minus get cancelled. Minus get cancelled. And finally what we get it? 1 by 3 into. So can I write it as 3a by 4a whole power minus 2 by 3? And a get cancelled. Is a getting cancelled? Yes, it is getting cancelled. And 1 by 3 into. Can I write it as 4 by 3 whole power 2 by 3? Yes, that's it, guys. This is the answer. So where we getting this answer, guys? Tell me. Where we getting this answer? So can we write 4 square as, so this can we write it as 1 by 3 into 4 power 2 by 3. 4 power 2 by 3, can we write it as 2 power 4 by 3? 2 power 4 by 3 into 3 power 2 by 3. That's what we're getting it. So, but 2 power 4 by 3, we can write it as a 2 power 1 into 2 power 1 by 3. So can I write it as 2 by 3 into 2 power 1 by 3 by 3 power 2 by 3? Can we write it like this? And can we write it as 2 by 3 into 2 by 9 whole power 1 by 3? Can we write it like this? So where we're getting this, guys? No, chemistry is different. I don't know much about chemistry, Vishal. But for chemistry, as according to my knowledge, chemistry, if you prepare NCRT, then you will get maximum benefit. But if you prepare NCRT for maths, you won't get maximum benefit. But if you prepare NCRT books for chemistry, then I think you get. I don't know much actually, as I'm maths faculty. So better you ask this question for any maths chemistry faculty. Okay, right. Fourth one is the answer, guys. Is it clear? Right. Next one. So differentiable function f of x satisfies this identity. F of x plus y is equals to f of x plus f of y plus xy square plus x square y, and limit x is tending to 0, f of x by x equals to 1 he gave, and f dash 3 he is asking. So let's calculate f dash x, guys. What is the formula to calculate f dash x? F dash x formula is limit h is tending to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by x plus h minus h. X plus h minus x, which is h. Right. But see, can we calculate x plus h, guys? F of x plus h can we calculate? Why? Because in place of y, suppose if I substitute h here, let's see what we'll get it. Am I getting f of x plus h is equals to f of x plus f of y plus x into, okay, this is h, right? One second. This is h. And x into h square plus x square into h. This value will substitute here. If you substitute this value here, guys, tell me what we get it. Are we getting like limit h is tending to 0, f of x plus h, we just now we calculated f of x plus f of h plus x h square plus h square h minus f of x by h. So tell me, anything getting cancelled? F of x getting cancelled. So finally what I am getting is limit h is tending to 0, f of h by h plus xh plus x square. That's what we're getting. But this is given as 1, na? This is given as 1. See here, this is given as 1. So if you substitute here 1, remaining part you substitute h is equals to 0, guys. If you substitute h is equals to 0, this is 0 and this is x square. Finally what I am getting, guys? Finally what I am getting? Am I getting f dash x equals to 1 plus x square? That's what we're getting it. So if f dash x equals to 1 plus x square, can we calculate f dash 3? So simply we just need to substitute x equals to 3, right? Let's substitute x equals to 3, guys. If you substitute x equals to 3 here, tell me what we get it. F dash 3 is equals to 1 plus 3 square. So tell me what is it? Isn't it 10, guys? So answer should be 10, guys. Correct now? Is it clear? Right. Chalo, guys. Let's move to the next one. Let's don't waste the time. We have done 6 questions. We need to do 10 more questions. Let's do it. Yeah, this is the next question we have. So when we substitute t is equals to x, as t is tending to x, if I substitute t is equals to x here, what I am getting it? Am I getting 0 by 0? Yes, we're getting 0 by 0. So we can apply L'Hospital rule. Let's apply L'Hospital rule. If you apply L'Hospital rule here, what do we get it? We need to differentiate with respect to x, guys, with respect to t. Sorry, here variable is t. Here variable is t. We need to differentiate with respect to t. So what is the numerator differentiation? T square differentiation is 2t into f square x minus x square into f square t. F of t whole square differentiation is 2 times f of t into f dash t by denominator. How much we getting? 1 we getting it. So this we need to equate it to 0, but let's substitute the limit and then we'll equate it to 0. 12th maths is nice. Okay, NCERT level. Okay, from that perspective, chapters like vector, 3D, probability, somewhere around NCERT level. Okay. Okay, so Vishal, what you can do is you can follow me on Unacademy. Okay, in Unacademy I'm daily taking classes. You can follow me on Unacademy, and so definitely you can improve your maths. Okay, so daily I'm taking so many classes. So even tomorrow also I have planned so many classes. Tomorrow I'm revising entire 3D, guys. Entire 3D concepts I'm revising at 2 to 3 p.m. So if you want, you can join 2 to 3 p.m. Entire 3D geometry I'm revising it. Okay, right. So guys, when you substitute in place of t, if you substitute x, let's see what we get it. In place of t, if you substitute x here, what I'm getting is 2t into f square t minus, in place of t we need to substitute x, right? 1 second, guys. So wherever t is there, we need to substitute x. So wherever t is there, we need to substitute x. So tell me how much we get it. 2x into f square x, that is f of x whole square, minus x square into 2 times f of x into f dash x, and equate it to 0. If you equate it to 0, what we get it, guys? So few things are getting cancelled now here. What are the things getting cancelled? 2 get cancelled, x getting cancelled, and f of x getting cancelled. And finally, what we get it, guys? F of x equals to x into f dash x. That's what we're getting it. Correct. So can we convert it into variable separable form? Something like f dash x by f of x. F dash x by f of x equals to 1 by x. And then can we integrate it on both sides? Let's integrate it on both sides. If you integrate it on both sides, this is a log f dash x, log f of x is equals to log x plus some constant k. Clear? Right. So from this, what I can say is log f of x is equals to log x plus some constant k. So we need to calculate this k, but how to calculate this? There is an initial condition. There is an initial condition, f of 1 is equals to e. So let's substitute x equals to 1 here. Let's substitute x equals to 1 here. If you substitute x equals to 1 here, log f of 1 is equals to log 1. Log 1 is anyway 0, is equals to k. But f of 1 is given as e. So log e is equals to how much, guys? K is equals to 1 we are getting. So let's substitute k is equals to 1 here. If you substitute k is equals to 1 here, so what do we get it, guys? Log f of x is equals to log x plus 1. That's what we're getting. But we need to calculate when f of x equals to 1, what is the value of x we need to calculate. So substitute f of x equals to 1 here. If you substitute f of x equals to 1 here, let's see what we get. When you substitute f of x equals to 1 here, so tell me, guys, how much we get it? Log 1 is anyway 0, is equals to log x plus 1. So from this, can I say that log x equals to minus 1? That means x value is how much? E power minus 1, which is equals to 1 by e. So the answer should be 1 by e. Where we getting 1 by e? First option. Straight line और circle का backlog है. Conic section पढ़ सकते हैं. So better you complete straight lines and circles, okay? First complete straight lines and circles, and then you can complete conic, okay? Without straight lines and circles, it is very difficult, okay? 2 months left. So question solving approach from previous year questions helpful more rather than something else. Okay, Vishal, if your basics are clear, if your concepts and basics are clear, you can start solving previous year questions, no problem. But if your basics are not clear, so you need to revise the concepts quickly and then start solving previous year questions. Right, chalo guys, let's move to the next one. Yeah, this is the next question we have. So alpha is a positive root of this equation. So let's calculate the roots of this equation. When we calculate the roots of this equation, what we're getting is one root is -1 and other root is 2. So he is saying a positive root. So -1 got eliminated. -1 got eliminated. So this is alpha, guys. Okay, alpha value we calculated. Alpha is equals to 2e. Okay. Now tell me what he's asking. So what he's asking is limit x is tending to alpha plus, but alpha value already we calculated, 2 plus. And square root of 1 minus cos of p of x by x plus alpha is what, guys? Alpha is 2, 2 minus 4. So now let's simplify this. When we are trying to simplify this, see, we have this formula 1 minus cos theta. We have a formula, guys. What is 1 minus cos theta? Isn't it 2 sine square theta by 2? Correct. So substitute here this value, square root of 2 sine square p of x by 2 by x minus 2. Correct. So still we can simplify this. Limit x is tending to 2 plus. This is root 2 into mod of sine p of x by 2 by x minus 2. But when we substitute x equals to 2, how much we get it, guys? Are we getting 0 by 0? Guys, are we getting 0 by 0? Why? Because when we substitute p of x value here, let's see what we get it. When we substitute p of x value here, limit x is tending to 2 plus root 2 into sine of p of x is what, guys? X square minus x minus 2 by 2 by x minus 2. When we substitute x equals to 2, are we getting 0 by 0? Yes, we're getting 0 by 0. Can we apply L'Hospital rule? Let's apply L'Hospital rule, guys. So according to this L'Hospital rule, limit x is tending to 2 plus numerator differentiation is what, guys? Cos of x square minus x minus 2 by 2 into x square minus x by 2. That differentiation is 2x minus 1 by 2. Denominator differentiation 1. Now substitute the limit. Now substitute the limit x equals to 2. If you substitute x equals to 2 here, let's see what we get it. Are we getting root 2 into? So if you substitute 2 here, we're getting 0, guys. Cos 0 is anyway 1. And now if you substitute 2 here, 2 times 2, 4, 4 minus 1, 3, 3 by 2, right? So finally what I am getting is 3 by root 2 I am getting, guys. So answer should be 3 by root 2. Third option is the answer. Correct now? Dharmendra understood? Vaibhav, hello Vaibhav. Hello VD. Everyone understood this? Perfect. Chalo guys, let's move to the next one. 9th question. Yeah, here is the 9th question. Okay, Saurav, you can do one thing, man. So daily evening 7 to 8:30. Daily evening 7 to 8:30 on Unacademy platform. I am conducting a mock test, guys. Daily mock test I am conducting it. Complete syllabus. On complete syllabus I am conducting mock test, guys. Which will be very useful for you. If you complete syllabus, guys, any one of you completed all the math syllabus, and if you want to attempt the mock test, so to reduce the time, to reduce the calculations, and to revise each and every chapter, you can come and join this mock test. Daily evening 7 to 8:30. 7 to 8:30 p.m. daily mock test till exam. Till exam, daily mock test, guys. Okay. Right, chalo, let's do this question. So what is the answer, guys? What is the answer for this one? Third option, huh? Is it third option, guys? Okay, chalo, let's see this. So guys, if I write this x as, if I send this x to denominator, if I can send this to denominator, let's see what I get it. So can I write it as limit x is tending to 0, e power square root of 1 plus x square plus x power 4 minus 1 by x minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square plus x power 4 minus 1 by x. So now let's take this part as t, guys. Let's take this part as t. If I take t is equals to square root of 1 minus x square, 1 plus or 1 minus, 1 plus, right? 1 plus x square plus x power 4 minus 1 by x. If I take this substitution, this whole thing is becoming like limit t is tending to 0. E power t minus 1 by t only, guys. Why t is tending to 0 is, if suppose x is tending to 0, let's see what will happen. If suppose x is tending to 0, here if you substitute, are we getting 0 by 0? Yes, we're getting 0 by 0. Apply L'Hospital rule. If you apply L'Hospital rule, limit x is tending to 0. Denominator differentiation 1 and numerator differentiation is 1 by 2 root 1 plus x square plus x power 4 into 2x plus 4x cube. So are we getting 0? Yes, we're getting 0. So t is tending to 0. But now what is this value? Again, it is becoming 0 by 0. Can we apply L'Hospital rule here? Let's apply L'Hospital rule. If you apply L'Hospital rule here, what we get it, guys? Tell me. So are we getting like e power t by 1? Limit t is tending to 0. Yes. Substitute t is equals to 0. Are we getting 1? Yes. 1 is the answer. Third option is the answer, guys. Correct now? Is it clear? Perfect. Chalo, let's move to the next one. Yeah, this is the 10th question we have. So guys, can I multiply and divide with x minus 1? Can I do that? And now tell me, guys, what is this value? When x is tending to 1, what is this value? This value is becoming 1. This value, is it becoming 1 or not? Yes, it is becoming 1. And finally, what I get it is, I can write it as limit x is tending to 1. Denominator is like x minus 1 whole square and the numerator is like 0 to x minus 1 whole square into t into cos t square. So can we apply Leibniz rule here? Why? Because when you substitute x equals to 1, denominator is 0, even numerator also 0. Why? Because integral 0 to 0 is 0 only, guys. If lower limit and upper limit is same, so can I say that numerator is 0? Definite integration will be 0 when you take numerator and lower limit and upper limit is same. So this is coming like 0 by 0 form. If it is 0 by 0 form, can we apply L'Hospital rule? Let's apply L'Hospital rule. Limit x is tending to 1. Numerator differentiation, we need to apply Leibniz rule here. Upper limit differentiation, that is 2 times x minus 1, x minus 1, that's it. Whole square, you won't get it. 1 second. Whole square, you won't get it. Yeah, now tell me. In place of t, upper limit we need to substitute. Cos of x minus 1 whole power 4, I'll get it, guys. By denominator, 2 times x minus 1, correct now? So now tell me, anything getting cancelled? 2 times x minus 1, 2 times x minus 1 cancel. And when we substitute x equals to 1, are we getting 0? So anywhere 0 is there? 0 is not there in first option. 0 is not there in third option. Second, fourth. There is no option, guys. This is a bonus question for 2020. It's a bonus question. So as we are getting 0, there is no 0 in the option. So it is a bonus. Clear? Understood now? Everyone understood this? We're getting 0 here, but 0 is not there in the options. So isn't it a bonus? Correct now? Chalo, let's move to the next question. So guys, the next question is, f of x is polynomial of degree 5 such that x equals to plus or minus 1 is its critical point. So from this, what he is trying to say is f dash 1 is equals to 0 and f dash minus 1 also 0. That's what he is saying. And here from this, what we can conclude, guys, from this, can we say that limit x is tending to 0, f of x by x cube is equals to 2? Can I say it like this? F of x by x cube is equals to 2. Can we say it like this? So from this, but when we substitute the limit here, denominator is 0, numerator also should be 0, right? So can I say that f of 0 is equals to 0? Okay, let's assume f of 0 is equals to 0. So it is coming like 0 by 0. Can we apply L'Hospital rule? Limit x is tending to 0, f dash x by 3x square. Again it is 2. That means again denominator 0. That means the numerator should be 0. Numerator should be 0 means what? Can I say that f dash 0 is equals to 0? Can I say it like this? Yes. So again we are getting 0 by 0. Again can we apply L'Hospital rule? Limit x is tending to 0, f double dash x by 6x. Again it should be 2. That means again it is coming like 0 by 0. Again it is coming like 0 by 0 means again can I conclude f double dash 0 also 0. Again you apply L'Hospital rule. Again if you apply L'Hospital rule, limit x is tending to 0, f triple dash x by 6 is equals to 2. So now substitute the limit. F triple dash 0 is equals to 12. We are getting it. Okay, this is one condition we got it. But see, from these three conditions, what we can conclude, guys? F of 0, 0, f dash 0, 0, f double dash 0 also 0. Can I say that f of x should be in the form of x cube into ax square plus bx plus c? Why? Because it is a repeated root, guys. F of 0, 0, f dash 0, 0, f double dash 0, 0. What does it mean? It is repeating 3 times. X equals to 0 is a repeated root 3 times. So can I consider the required function f of x equals to? You can expand it, right? Can we expand it? Let's expand it. Is it ax power 5 plus bx power 4 plus cx cube? Can I say it like this? Test series, there are so many test series is going on, guys. So if you take plus subscription, there are so many test series are going on. But if you want on free platform, you want on free platform or plus platform, right? Yeah, Agnik, within 2 years you can easily get within 2 years easily you can get IIT if you prepare well. Okay, Ratnagar, if you want to attempt test series free platform, daily evening 7 to 8:30 I am taking mock test, guys. You can come and join actually. Okay, right. So yeah, this is what he gave. And from this, f triple dash 0 he gave, guys. Can I calculate f triple dash 0 here? Can I calculate f dash x? Calculate f dash x. F dash x is how much we're getting it? 5a into x power 4 plus 4b into x cube plus 3c into x square. Same way, can I calculate f double dash x? F double dash x is how much, guys? 20a x cube plus 12b x square plus 6c x. What about f triple dash x? 60a x square plus 24b x plus 6c. Substitute x equals to 0 here. If you substitute x equals to 0 here, f triple dash 0 is how much? 6c. 6c is equals to 12. Are we getting c is equals to 2? My September score was 67 percentile, 37 marks. Can I get 95 percentile, 110 marks approximately? So definitely you can plan it. Actually, this year we have advantage, guys. You can attempt the exam 4 times. So we have plenty of time. 2 months is there for first exam. We have 2 months, less than 2 months. So yeah, NCERT. You take any coaching material, okay? You take any standard book or coaching material and start solving easy medium questions, and then directly you can start solving previous year questions, okay? So easily you can able to score well. Right, C value we got it, guys. Once you got C value, you can substitute that C value here. If you substitute c value here, what I'm getting at, f dash x is 5a x power 4 plus 4b x cube plus c value already we know it 2, so we can write it 6x square. Okay, perfect. Actually, this is a lengthy question, guys. It is a mains question, so this is a lengthy question, but let me finish it quickly. Right. So from this, what we can conclude is, see, f dash 1 is 0, f dash minus 1 is 0. So from this, f dash 1 and f dash minus 1, if you substitute here 0, so f dash 1 is what? 5a plus 4b plus 6 equals to 0. And what about f dash minus 1, guys? F dash minus 1 is 5a minus 4b plus 6 equals to 0. So from this, if you add and equate it to 0, or if you subtract and equate it to 0, b is equals to 0, we're getting it. And what is a, guys? A is equals to minus 6 by 5, we're getting it. Okay. B value, A value, we got it. Everything we got it, guys. Once we got A, B, C value, substitute all these values here. So we get f of x value. What is f of x, guys? Finally, I calculated f of x value. What is f of x? F of x, I am getting it like ax power 5. A value is how much? Minus 6 by 5 into x power 5. Plus b value is anyway 0. C value is what, guys? C value just now we calculated, which is 2. Correct now? C value we got 2, right? Yes. C value we got 2. So 2 into x cube. Yes. This is f of x value. But he's asking which one is not true. So f is odd function. X power 5 is there, x cube is there. It's an odd function. So first option is a true statement, but he's asking not true. So first option got eliminated. Guys, is it correct how we are eliminating first option? Guys, is it clear? So finally I calculated f of x as, so what is it? Minus 6 by 5 x power 5 plus 2x cube. That's what we're getting it. F of x value. Clear? So now you can verify the options, guys. Is x equals to 1 is a point of minimum, or x equals to minus 1 point of maximum. You can check it. Actually, you just calculate f double dash x, guys. F double dash x is how much we're getting it. So already I think here we calculated f double dash x. Yeah, this is f double dash x. 20a x cube. Otherwise directly differentiate it. F dash x I'll calculate first. F dash x is what? Minus 6x power 4 plus 6x square. Now f double dash x is what? Minus 24x cube plus 12x. That's what we're getting it. So now tell me, guys, at x equals to 1, f double dash x is positive or negative? We'll just check it. At x equals to 1, f double dash 1 positive or negative? Minus 24 plus 12 minus 12 negative. That means at x equals to 1 minimum or maximum? At x equals to 1 minimum. Sorry, maximum. At x equals to 1 it is maximum. So third option is correct statement. So can we eliminate third option and first option? So the only option satisfying is second option, guys. Second option is a wrong statement. He is saying x equals to 1 point of minimum, but x equals to 1 we're getting point of maximum. So second statement is not a true statement. It's a false statement. Correct? So it's a very lengthy question, guys. It should be in advanced actually. It is lengthy question. So I think, see, there are very less lengthy questions will be there, guys. Most of the questions will be easy only. So out of 16 questions, first 10 questions are very easy and 11th question is very lengthy. And let's move to the next one. So can we write it as limit x is tending to 2, 3 power x plus 27 by 3 power x minus 12 by denominator. Denominator, can I write it as 1 by square root of 3 power x minus 3 by 3 power x. Can we write it like this? Let's multiply both numerator and denominator with 3 power x. If you multiply both numerator and denominator with 3 power x, let's see what we get it. Limit x is tending to 2, 3 power x whole square, right? Is it 3 power x whole square? My 12th basics are already cleared. Very good. That's good. That's good. Then you can start solving previous year questions and attempt a mock test. Huh? Right, so 3 power x whole square I am getting it, numerator, and minus 12 times 3 power x plus 27 by denominator is what, guys? When you multiply with 3 power x, this is square root of 3 power x minus 3. That's what we're getting. So now let's take 3 power x equals to t, guys. We can take a substitution 3 power x equals to t. 3 power x equals to t, you take it, and it is tending to 6, correct now? 6 or not? No, 3 square. 3 square is what, guys? 9. It is not 6. It is 9. So t is tending to 9. What is it? With NCRT and previous year questions. Don't go with NCRT, guys. Don't go with NCRT. You can start solving some basic medium questions in any coaching material, or you take any standard book. You take R.D. Sharma objective, you take it. Or Arihant mains, you can take it, isn't it? You take any standard book for mains and start solving easy medium questions, and then previous year questions you can solve it. Right, so t is tending to 9, guys, and now I am changing the question to limit t is tending to 9, t square minus 12t plus 27 by root t minus 3. So now am I getting 0 by 0? Can we apply L-Hospital rule here? Let's apply L-Hospital rule here. If you apply L-Hospital rule here, we get the answer very easily. So limit t is tending to 9. Numerator differentiation 2t minus 12 by denominator differentiation 1 by 2 root t. Let's substitute here. 2 times 3 into 18 minus 12. 18 minus 12 is 6. So 6, 36. So answer should be 36, guys. 36 is the answer. Correct? Is it clear? Can we move to the next one? Yeah, this is the next question we have. So when we substitute x equals to 0, are we getting 0 by 0? Are we getting 0 by 0? So can we apply L-Hospital rule? If you apply L-Hospital rule here, numerator differentiation, Leibniz rule we can substitute x into sine 10x. Denominator differentiation 1. Now substitute the limit here. If you substitute the limit here, are we getting 0? Yes, we're getting 0. So the answer is first option 0. Isn't it easy, guys? How easy it is, huh? Within 15 seconds we are getting the answer. See here, one step. Within one step we're getting the answer. Isn't it? Yes, next question. See, when we substitute limit x is tending to 0, 3x square plus 2 by 7x square plus 2. How much we getting, guys? Are we getting infinite by infinite? Yes, we're getting infinite by infinite. So what we'll do? We'll divide both numerator and denominator with x square, guys. Let's see what will happen. When you divide both numerator and denominator with x square. Oh, 1 second, guys. We are not getting 0 by 0, guys. We're getting 1 actually. We're getting 1. So here x is tending to 0, na? I didn't see that. Yes, when you substitute x equals to 0, we're getting 1. So are we getting like 1 power infinite, guys? Are we getting like 1 power infinite? So we have 1 power infinite, we have formula, right? So can we use that 1 power infinite formula? If we use this 1 power infinite formula, so tell me e power limit x is tending to 0, z of x into f of x minus 1, 3x square plus 2 by 7x square plus 2 minus 1. Yeah, this is what we're getting it. So now let's simplify this. So if you simplify this, what we get it is e power limit x is tending to 0. Denominator is like x square and LCM is like 7x square plus 2. And the numerator is what? 3x square plus 2 minus of 7x square plus 2, which is minus 4x square. Okay. X square cancelled. Remaining part, how much we getting it? Remaining part is like e power limit x is tending to 0 minus 4 by 7x square plus 2. Now substitute x equals to 0. If you substitute x equals to 0 here, how much we get it? Are we getting like e power minus 4 by 2, which is e power minus 2? Yes, e power minus 2 is the answer. So e power minus 2 is nothing but 1 by e square, guys. 1 by e square is the answer. Fourth option is correct. Yes, Sanidhya, you're right, you're right. Perfect. So guys, understood now? Any doubts in this? Anyone has any doubts? Right, 14 questions we finished, and one more question we'll do it, guys. So it is continuous at x equals to 0, then a plus 2b. Continuous at x equals to 0 means what? Left hand limit should be equals to right hand limit. That should be equals to f of 0. F of 0 already he has given. F of 0 is given as b. Okay. So guys, you don't need series questions. Why you don't need series questions is, without using series, if you use L'Hospital rule, most of the questions you will get it. So why to use series unnecessarily? Clear? So we have done so many previous year questions. Anywhere we used series? No, right? So you don't need to series. You don't need to use series in limits, guys. Okay. Without using series also, we can do it if we can use L'Hospital rule. Right. So let's calculate left hand limit. When we calculate left hand limit, let's see what we get it. F of 0 minus we'll calculate. F of 0 minus is what, guys? Limit x is tending to 0 minus, and we need to substitute here. So tell me, guys, what we get? Sine a plus 2 into x plus sine x by x. So are we getting a plus 3? Hello Mayank. Hello Anuj. No Ashutosh, not हर चैप्टर में, सब चैप्टर्स में 3000 प्रॉब्लम्स. ठीक है? Right. So tell me, guys, we're getting a plus 3. Left hand limit, we're getting a plus 3. Let's calculate right hand limit now. So when we calculate right hand limit, f of 0 plus, if I calculate, limit x is tending to 0 plus. So x plus 3x square whole power 1 by 3 minus x power 1 by 3 by x power 4 by 3. That's what we're getting it. So x power 1 by 3 we can take cancel, guys. If you take x power 1 by 3 cancel, what we get it, guys? So 1 plus 3x whole power 1 by 3 minus 1 by x. That's what we're getting it. So can we apply L'Hospital rule? What is those? Unacademy special classes नहीं लेते. लेंगे ना? Mayank, daily I'll take special classes. Evening 7 to 8:30 I'm taking a mock test, and 2 to 3 or 3 to 4 also I'll take it. Afternoon 2 to 3 or 3 to 4. So guys, here are we getting 0 by 0 we're getting. So can we apply L'Hospital rule here? If you apply L'Hospital rule here, tell me, guys, what I've get it. So denominator differentiation is anyway 0, guys. Numerator differentiation is 1 by 3 into 1 plus 3x whole power minus 2 by 3 into 3x differentiation. 3 get cancelled. And when we substitute x equals to 0, how much we getting, guys? Are we getting 0? Yes. No, we are not getting 0. We're getting 1. We're getting 1, guys. So left hand limit we're getting a plus 3. Right hand limit we're getting b. Right hand limit, how much we got it? 1, right? 1 we're getting, and f of 0 how much? F of 0 is b. So from this, b is equals to 1 and a is equals to how much, guys? A is equals to minus 2. Okay, a value, b value we calculated. Now what he is asking? A plus 2b. A plus 2b is what? Minus 2 plus 2. Are we getting 0? Yes, fourth option is the answer. Correct now? Right, perfect. We got the fourth option, right? So one more question is there, guys. This is the last question. After that, we can end the session, and this is the last question. Let's do this question. Step t denotes the greatest integer function, and what is the limit x is tending to 0, x into step of 4 by x. This value is a. So chalo, let's do this question. So first let's calculate limit x is tending to 0, x into. So guys, we have this formula, na? Step x equals to x minus fractional part of x. Can I say it like this? Step x equals to x minus fractional part of x. So can I write it as 4 by x equals to 4 by x minus fractional part of 4 by x? Can I write it like this? So when we multiply this, let's see what I get it. This is coming like limit x is tending to 0. X into 4 by x is 4 minus x into fractional part of 4 by x. See, fractional part of 4 by x is a finite value, guys, which can be lying between 0 to 1 only. Can I say that this value is lying between 0 to 1 only, guys? Closed interval 0 to open interval 1. And x is 0. So 0 into 0 to 1 is what? This whole thing is becoming 0 only. So 4 minus 0, total we're getting 4. So that means, can I say that a is equals to 4 now? That's what he's saying. A is equals to 4. Okay, we got a value 4. Now substitute a is equals to 4 here. If you substitute a is equals to 4 here, 3 we're getting and 2 we're getting. And here 5 we're getting and here root 5 we're getting. Correct. Suppose, see, when x is integer, what will happen is, this is going to be 0. Left hand limit and right hand limit both are becoming 0 and it is continuous. So this is continuous, this is continuous and this is continuous. But when x is equals to root 5, it is not continuous, it is discontinuous. So second option is the answer. Correct. Clear? Right. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. And see you in the next session. So next session will be on Wednesday, guys. Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay. So night 10 p.m. 10 to 11 p.m. So that's it for today, guys. So we completed all 2020 questions, including Jan and September. Okay. In 1 hour, we completed 16 questions. Very good, guys. So guys, that's it for today. And see you in the next session, everyone. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.